An all-out vaccine credit war has escalated in Bengal weeks after Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel put his image on vaccination certificates. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has done the same. The BJP has meanwhile launched an all-out attack on the Chief Minister. Take a look.
No end to war between Mamata government and centre. From polls to top Babu's transfer, and now a full-blown credit war escalating in West Bengal. This after the Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee put her own image on COVID-19 vaccine certificates. Mamata's image certificates are being issued to beneficiaries who got the jabs from state-run facilities.
Don't forget that she has been hugely blessed by the people of this state and an immensely popular leader in the country. I think there is no politics involved in it, and BJP should now learn to introspect and look within.
TMC clarified that the certificate with Mamata's image is only for the age group of 18 to 44 years, as the vaccines have been procured by the state. TMC also claims that Modi's picture there in certificates for other age or priority groups.
18 থেকে উপরে আছে, মানে 18 থেকে 44, মানে 45 প্লাসের আগে, যেহেতু আমরা স্টেট থেকে এটা কিনছি তাই এখানে আমরা ওই ছবিটা দিচ্ছি। আর 45 এর উপরে যারা যেখান দিয়ে নিচ্ছে, যেহেতু সেটা সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট সাপ্লাই করছে, সেখানে প্রধানমন্ত্রীর ছবি আছে।
BJP is now up in arms, calling it an insult to the Prime Minister.
তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস আচার আচরণ হচ্ছে কার্যত একটা স্বাধীন দেশের মতো। তৃণমূল বারবারই ভুলে যায় যে তারা একটি অঙ্গরাজ্যে আছেন, ভারতবর্ষের মধ্যে আছেন। এটা তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস মানতে নারাজ।
Earlier, Mamata slammed centre for putting up Modi's image on a vaccine certificate. In fact, in the run-up to the assembly polls, TMC even wrote to Election Commission against the use of Prime Minister's photograph on vaccine certificates.
আর আজকে ইনজেকশন আমরা পয়সা দিয়ে কিনতে চাইছি, ইনজেকশনের মধ্যে মোদির মুখ লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে। বুঝুন, কোভিড ইনজেকশন, তার মধ্যে মুখ লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে। ইনজেকশনেও নিজের নাম, নিজের ছবি, রাস্তাও নিজের নামে, ঘরবাড়িও নিজের নামে।
Mamata Banerjee and centre have been at loggerheads over various issues. While Mamata accuses centre of giving stepmotherly treatment to Bengal, centre on the other hand accuses Didi of halting central schemes in the state.
This comes at a time when the Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee had lashed out on the Prime Minister after his photograph was on the vaccine certificate just before the 2021 elections, and they even complained to the ECI. Now the Trinamool claims that this is not contradicting their move, and as the Chief Minister has the right, as she's the elected representative, she has the right to have her photograph just like the Prime Minister did. With camera person Raktan, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.
Well, ahead of the civic body polls coming close in Mumbai, the vaccine politics has escalated, with opposition blaming the ruling Aghadi government for the shortage and Maharashtra government passing the buck to the centre. Here's more.
This is not the venue of a political event in Mumbai, but a vaccination camp organized by the BJP. With the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections just around the corner, the BJP is highlighting vaccine shortage as an election issue.
मुंबई में लसीकरण 45 प्लस का भी बंद है। इसके लिए कारण कौन है? तो ये राज्य सरकार है। इन्होंने जानबूझ के ये जो टीकाकरण है उसका काला बाजार चालू किया है, और इसके लिए मुंबई कर के पास आज 45 अबाव के लोगों के लिए लस नहीं है। इसके खिलाफ हम कल आंदोलन करेंगे।
Political leaders are now directly tying up with private hospitals or are facilitating tie-ups between hospitals and housing societies. In the satellite town of Navi Mumbai too, BJP hoardings can be seen at vaccination centres. The Saffron Party launched a free vaccination camp on 3rd June, with pictures of top BJP leaders and the party logo on the registration form. The Aam Aadmi Party has questioned the BJP over the drive.
मैं बोल रहा है क्यों ओनली वार्ड नंबर 64 दूसरे भी वार्ड है ना साहब, आप तो देखेगा तो नवी मुंबई पूरा देखना है। आज मैं वार्ड नंबर 60 से मैं बोल रही हूँ, हमारा वार्ड नंबर में भी बहुत गरीबी है।
The ruling Shiv Sena is blaming the central government and the BJP for the shortage of vaccines.
बीजेपी जो आरोप लगा रही है कि महाराष्ट्र शासन इन्होंने हमें वैक्सीन नहीं दिया, इसी के कारण ये हम लोगों को बाहर से बिकट लेना पड़ता है, ये आरोप उनका बिना काम का आरोप है।
The beneficiaries say politics is the last thing on their mind. They want vaccines first.
आपको पता लगा कि यहाँ पर अलग पॉलिटिशियंस वगैरह भी हैं जो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल के साथ कंबाइन करके वैक्सीन डज इट मैटर?
नॉट रियली, जब तक वैक्सीन मिल रही है।
थर्ड वेव आने वाला ऐसा सुना है, तो डर तो लगने वाला ही है, तो जितना सेफ हो सकते उतना सेफ हो जाए।
BMC elections are around the corner and there is tremendous shortage of anti-COVID vaccine in Mumbai. A perfect opportunity for the Netas to don their skills now. The Neta is making a speech inside while many people are waiting in queue outside. This is not a political rally. It's a vaccination center. There are political hoardings all around, but the Janata needs the vaccine desperately, and therefore they are quietly doing all the developments. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Pathia in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Haryana's New district has among the lowest vaccination rates in the state. Health workers are now taking help from Muslim clerics and leaders along with community radio to create awareness about vaccine and how important it is. Take a look.
No district lies at the bottom of the list when it comes to vaccination turnout in Haryana.
हमारे कोरोना ही ना हम कहीं लगवाओ, कोरोना नहीं है हमारे, लगवाएंगे जब कोरोना होएगा भी ना लगवाएंगे।
The reluctance to take the jab is obvious as soon as you enter the district. Misinformation and a deep-seated distrust are the reasons for people's refusal to line for the vaccine here.
वैक्सीन लगवाई मैंने, लोग बाग यहाँ डर रहे हैं वैक्सीन लगवाने से।
क्या कह रहे हैं?
ये अफवाह उड़ी हुई है कि वैक्सीन लगवाने से मतलब बीमार हो जाता है, आदमी मर जाता है।
भ्रम सर यही है कि लोग कहते हैं जी कि इससे बच्चे नहीं होंगे, ये वैक्सीन है, जाने क्या लगा दिया सरकार ने, हमारे खिलाफ क्या चल रहा है।
There are some, of course, who are going against the grain by rejecting the rumors.
मौत हो जाएगी इससे, और ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए लोग डर।
कौन बोल रहा है?
आम जनता जैसे अफवाह उड़ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बाकी ये सेफ्टी के लिए हमारे ये जो सरकार लगा रही।
But then, such people are a minority in New district. The state government has now come up with an awareness program involving local mosques.
हर समाज में ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो अफवाह फैला देते हैं या डरा देते हैं, इसलिए मेरी दरख्वास्त समाज से भी सब लोगों से कि डरें नहीं, अफवाहों पर ध्यान ना दें, बल्कि अपने स्वास्थ्य के लिए महकमा सेहत के स्वास्थ्य महकमे का साथ दें, हुकूमत की गाइडलाइन का पालन करें और अपनी बारी आने पर हर एक वैक्सीन लगवाएं।
A community radio station is also pitching in, making announcements every day on how important it is to get vaccinated.
जिन्होंने वैक्सीनेशन करवाया है उनकी आवाज़ हमने रिकॉर्ड की है और उनके खुद के मैसेज अल्फाज मेवात का जो नंबर है उस पर रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं, और वो मैसेज हम बार बार रेडियो से चला रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब कोई मैसेज लोकल लोगों के कानों में पड़ता है तो ये बात होती है कि जब फला गांव का बंदा लगवा के आया है और उसको किस तरह की कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो क्यों ना मैं भी वैक्सीनेशन कराऊं।
जो भी अवेयरनेस कैंपेन है या जो भी इस महामारी से निपटने के उपाय हैं या बचने के तरीके हैं, वो सारे प्रयास अच्छे तरीके से हम लोग कर रहे हैं और उसके हमें सकारात्मक नतीजे भी उसके मिले हैं।
The district administration hopes these efforts will help convince villagers that the vaccine is their guarantee against COVID, particularly when a third wave is looming in the future. With Jitendra Bahadur Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, in Madhya Pradesh, 3,000 junior doctors have continued their strike even after the High Court called it illegal and asked them to return to work within 24 hours. The state government has threatened students to resume their duties or they can be asked to pay a bond price, which is between 10 to 30 lakhs. Here's more.
The face-off between the MP government and junior doctors turns ugly. 3,000 junior doctors across Madhya Pradesh have submitted their resignation to the state government. So, what are the demands of the junior doctors? Why are they protesting since 31st May? Doctors want a hike of 24% in stipend and a 6% yearly raise. The doctors also demanded free treatment and reserved hospital beds for them and their families. Witnessing a huge number of attacks on healthcare workers, doctors are urging for a police chowki on campus as well.
हम अपनी मांगे तो जनवरी से रख रहे हैं। अप्रैल में जब पीक आया तो भी हमने अपनी मांगों को पीछे हटाते हुए मरीजों के हित में सोचते हुए अपना काम किया। मगर आज जब हम अपने सच्चाई पे जा रहे हैं, अपने मांगों के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो उस समय हमें ये आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं कि हम ब्लैकमेलिंग कर रहे हैं।
हमारी जब मारपीट होती है, डॉक्टर्स इतने ज्यादा पिटाई होती है, तो उनके लिए सुरक्षा का तो ये हमें चाहिए।
While slamming the strike amid the deadly virus, MP High Court called it illegal. The High Court also asked doctors to join their duties within 24 hours. The deadline is over, but doctors refuse to budge. Even as doctors continue to strike, the state government has threatened that protesting doctors could be asked to pay the bond money, which is between 10 to 30 lakh rupees.
इस समय पर हड़ताल करना ठीक है, मरीजों से ब्लैकमेलिंग करना ठीक है। मैं तो स्वयं बातचीत करता हूँ, उनको हमने 6-17% स्टाइपेंड बढ़ा दिया। अब वो ये कह रहे हैं हम गांव में नौकरी नहीं करेंगे, गांव में बॉन्ड को पूरा नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि गांव के मरीजों का क्या होगा? ये मरीजों के खिलाफ ठीक बात नहीं है।
As the controversy snowballed, the Indian Medical Association branch of Indore came out in support of the junior doctors and demanded an end to the threats and victimization of these protesting medicos. Amid a raging pandemic, it's the patients who have caught in the crossfire between the Madhya Pradesh government and junior doctors.
3,000 MP junior doctors have submitted their resignation after High Court called their strike illegal and asked them to join their duties within 24 hours. Junior doctors are still on strike after the deadline by the High Court is over. And now, even the Indian Medical Association has came in support of the junior doctors. With camera person Irshad Khan from Bhopal, this is Ravish Pal Singh for India Today.
Well, a massive controversy is erupted after Twitter removed the blue tick from certain high-profile handles, including that of Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Sources say the government is going to be sending a notice to Twitter in this regard, even as Twitter has cited account inactivity as the reason behind this action. However, after this massive furor, Twitter restored Naidu's blue tick. Now, Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has reiterated that all social media platforms must abide by rules. Here's more.
First, the Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu. Then senior RSS functionaries, including Sangh Chief Mohan Bhagwat. Sudden disappearance of blue verified account badge from a number of high-profile accounts on Saturday morning triggered a massive furor on social media. The development coming in the backdrop of ongoing tussle over implementation of new IT rules prompted a strong message from the government. Sources in the government stated, since it involves senior constitutional functionary, a tough stand will be taken. India Today learns that the IT ministry will serve a notice to Twitter for removing blue tick from Naidu's account. As the controversy snowballed and the Vice President's office flagged concerns over the issue, Twitter India reacted on the matter. The social media giant claims that the disappearance of a verified badge was not deliberate and it was removed since the Vice President's personal account had been inactive since July last year. Not many takers for Twitter's reasoning. Accounts of Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley still display the blue badge. Under fire, Twitter later restored the verified badge on Venkaiah Naidu's personal handle. Despite the clarification, criticism flew thick and fast. An RSS leader took to Twitter to highlighting handles of many senior Sangh leaders losing verified tag, with RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat being one of them.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और भारतीय जनसंघ आज़ादी से लेकर आज तक देश के अंदर आदर्शवाद की राजनीति के लिए खड़ा है और हमें किसी की ब्लू टिक होने से ना होने से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के संघ के राष्ट्रवादी विचार के प्रवाह को कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
The controversy erupted on a day when IT Ministry turned up the heat on Twitter, shooting off another strongly worded letter over non-compliance of new IT rules.